we're going to form this into a cylinder from being flat. And I use magic water. I started using magic water instead of, I was using water. I've used white vinegar. And anyway, when I started using B mix, this is a red B mix clay, I was having more cracking than I've ever had. So I had heard somewhere along the lines that magic water can help prevent cracking. So I got the recipe. It's not my original idea. I got the recipe from Lakeside Pottery, and it has liquid sodium silicate and soda ash. But the idea is that the two combined form a powerful flux, and the silica in the sodium silicate adds like a glass former. The water is to dissolve the soda ash and therefore travels a little way into the wet clay. And the sodium silicate is sticky and dries really hard and faster than the clay does. And the end result is that the magic water makes a sticky layer of almost glaze that soaks into the surrounding clay, and it dries hard. Thus, cracks are prevented and the bond is stronger. Okay. So, I mean, I still get cracks sometimes, but I'm trying to prevent, it as much as possible. As I think it works best if when you're using it, after you apply it to the join, you let it sit for a minute before you try to do more stuff. So it's almost like it activates it, activates its magic powers. So, all right. So we're going to go ahead and form this slab into a cylinder. And I'm going to use this is my favorite scoring tool. It's a Mud Tools serrated rib. I'm just going to score both sides where I've beveled. I don't know if you can see, but this is my magic water here. And it's very slippy because I take all the clay boogers from whenever I score something, I just put them into the magic water. So
when you initially make it, it's clear.
It's clear,
but it just accumulates the clay from your process.
And sometimes I'll go in with an immersion blender and just whiz it up because it gets kind of chunky. Yeah. So, and then what I'm going to do is just apply it to one side. So for me, I'm going to try really hard to keep that. I don't want that squishing out onto the pattern of the honeycomb. And when I'm overlapping, it's not the join. You don't want it exactly like diagonal to diagonal. You want it to overlap a little bit to make that join nice and strong. And then I'm just pressing the two together. And I'm going to leave that seam exposed.